Hi everyone, I wanted to talk to you about the GCF lessons that I'm posting at Classroom these last 3 weeks. There have been some questions on how to access, so I wanted to give you a quick little tutorial on that. So I did link at Classroom. If you go to Classroom and go to the instructions, I did link up, we're going to the Excel GCF lessons. The first block of lessons is kind of a review of what we did before break, and we're going into formulas and functions. So each of these lessons is its own little lesson, and just click on the lesson, and then you can either go through the website and scroll and visually just walk through it. But what I like about these is it does have the video as well. So if you just click on the video, you can work through the lesson. So what you would do first is download the practice workbook. It says it's optional, but I would strongly suggest you do that because I am requiring screenshots of that. I think just working through the workbook helps you to really understand the lesson. And then open up that workbook. It has all the information that you need to then go into the video and walk through the lesson. You do have to hit enable editing in order to be able to work in the workbook. But then you can come in here and kind of go over some of the review of formulas and functions that we did in class. So here we go. If you click on the video and launch it, then you can be working on the lesson. So I won't have you walk all through that right now, but just know that you can, when you download the workbook, then you can actually go through the lesson and just practice what we did. And if you look at this, this is under 4 minutes. It's 3 minutes and 38 seconds. So these are short and sweet kind of little lessons that I think are a really good review. I've assigned them in blocks. So I skipped over these first part because we did this in class, but I did assign this block of lesson 13 through 16 and then 17 through 24. And then 25 through 29. All right, and these are from the first 3 weeks of remote learning, and then I did give a catch-up week this week. So feel free to go back. I'll still take these for full credit. All right, if you have any questions on that, email me, but hopefully you'll enjoy those lessons.